Nadarupineem Vandeham in Raga Kokila Panchama set to Aditala. Here we have the solitary composition in Raga Kokila Panchama, which is an exclusive find of Wadiyar. Maharaja is known for introducing more than 30 very rare ragas, thus enriching the melodies in Carnatic classical music. According to tradition and convention, the male cuckoo coos at the fifth note, that is Panchama. Kokila kujati Panchamam. Panchamaswara is the note that we hear when the cuckoo coos. True to its name, befitting the name, this Kokila Panchama takes the ascent not from Shedja but from Panchama. Padanisa Rigari, Sanidapa Magarisa is the Aroha and Avaroha. It's a janya of the 39th Mela Jhalavarali. It has a Shuddha Rishabha and a Shuddha Gandhara, which are supposed to be Vivadi notes, that are dissonant notes. But you must see how deftly they have been dealt with in the composition. So without making us feel the dissonance of these notes, it takes only an expert to do this. Wadiyar has achieved total success in this. And here is a reference in the Charana to the two schools of Sri Vidya, Kadi Vidya and Hadi Vidya. In the Charana, he says, Devi is the very embodiment of Nada, not just Nada. She is the embodiment of Navakshara, mantra. That is, a mantra having 9 syllables used for the worship of Sri Vidya. She is a Navagraha Nayika and she is Navadurga. Thus, she is Nava, Nava, Navo, Nava, always fresh. So, let us listen to this very rare composition in Raga Kokila Panchama.
Nadarupini Vandeham Nadarupini Vandeham Nadarupini Vandeham Navakshari Shri Vidyatmika Nadarupini अवेद्या मूलहारिणी कादिहान्तमतान्तसेता अवेद्या मूलहारिणी परिपूर्णा आगमशास्त्र संस्तोता कात्यायनीं करुणारस परिपूर्णा आगमशास्त्र संस्तोता गुरुसम्प्रदाय तोषितबिम्बा गणेश स्कन्द जननी परदेवता बिंबा गणेश स्कंद जननी